Greetings. I am Amenemhat, priest of Egypt. I live close to the Great Pyramid with my family in the city of the dead. Wherever you go here in the city, you can always see the Great Pyramid, and I know it better than most. It is spectacular to look at and truly is a wonder of the world, but it also has deep religious meaning. Let me tell you a few of its secrets. The pyramid allows the dead pharaoh to join the gods in heaven. After his life here on earth, he goes to his rightful place above us all. How does the pyramid do this, you ask? Well, within the burial chamber of the Great Pyramid, there are two narrow vents cut out of the stone. Is this just to air the place out? No. You see, through these gaps you can see some important signs in the night sky, constellations of stars. It's a little window into heaven. The pharaoh's soul will move through these gaps to go to its eternal home. In this way, the pyramid is like a stepladder to heaven. Those who worship the sun god Ra more than any of the other gods will tell you that the pyramid is also like a sunbeam which the pharaoh's soul will climb to meet Ra himself in the sky. If you go further back in our religion, to the dawn of time itself, we have a story that the earth was merely water until a huge mound of earth emerged from the depths to form the world we live in. The pyramid shape reminds us of this story. I work in the pyramid every day. It's not just a tomb, you see, but also a working temple. I must make offerings to the dead king every day to keep our people in favor with the gods. We want them to continue to bless our great kingdom with power, riches, and good harvests. Another part of my job is to care for the pyramid and the body of the pharaoh. I like to think that I continue to serve my pharaoh even after his death.